Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk about digital marketing for a psychic or tarot reading business. My name is Mac Frederick, founder and CEO of Momentum Digital. And in this video, it's about a 10-minute video. I talk about if you have a psychic business or if you're trying to do digital marketing for a psychic or for tarot readings, this is a good video and process to follow to sort of grow that business, get more customers, reach more people online, and really grow that business. So I'm going to dissect sort of this company and use this for an example and leverage for you and your business maybe. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and even drop me a comment. Turn on that bell for post notifications. My name is Mac Frederick, founder and CEO of Momentum Digital, and I help a lot of digital marketers and small business owners. I previously worked for Google, so I do like to talk about SEO and Google marketing. So stay tuned and let's jump into this video. All right, I'm going to go through some digital marketing strategies and insights and ideas for this website for you, tarotreadings.com. So this is like, hiring and working with an online psychic. So tarotreadings.com, here's this site for you guys. This is the homepage. This is what people see right away. I'll show you what it looks like on mobile, which is where you'll get most of the traffic, which is going to be very important. So on mobile, top of page, you just start seeing people right away, which if you're not seeing somebody you want, they don't have good reviews, no pictures, really no focus as to like what their main offer is, then it's not good for conversions. Really what you want to do is cater to the people and find out what type of psychic or reader they're looking for based on their attributes, their interests, what they want to talk about, etc., and getting them into sort of the funnel, collecting information, at least name, number, email, so you can follow up with them via SMS and email, put them into a funnel. If you look at some competitors here, meetyoursPsychic.com, here's their landing page from ads. You see it says let's go or skip, tries to pique their interest right away and ask questions about them. What area do you want to, a lot of people like to talk about love. What level of psychic would you prefer? A lot of people might go for somewhere in the middle. And then it's going to match you based on those psychics, but then it pushes you to create a free account. And so that's when they collect your information. I'm not going to sign up because I don't want to get spammed from them. But if you look at their homepage, a little different from their ads page. So really needs to catch their attention right away. Call to action, meet your psychic. And then that's where it's going to have you create the free account. I might skip this, and it probably comes to this page because I answered those questions, but we should be collecting minutes, but also providing information such as the new member special should be a pop-up right here. So I'd create a landing page and whole site similar to this site. This is a really good website. Call to action, main contact, ready to meet your psychic. We care about your success. Show some of the best psychics, some of their work, reviews. As seen on, this is social proof, customer proof. Types of readings, phone chat, this is great. Here are the steps and process, very beautiful user experience, user interface. Create a free account. You could even probably have them skip creating a free account and just collecting their information and then letting them go through an initial consultation with a psychic and then getting into the queue, into the funnel system. Perks, details, frequently asked questions, lots of information. This will also help it rank for SEO. This is a really good website. If we take a look, it's probably a $100,000 website for how much they've put into it over the years. But if you take a look at their, SEO scores, which, they're not that heavily focused on SEO. They've got 11,000 backlinks, 33 domain authority, 5,000 users per month, 2,500 keywords. They're getting all these keywords and traffic, so a lot of their traffic is branded, so they're trying to start ranking for more keywords, which is obviously the goal. But a lot of their keywords is based on all the different pages they have. So you're going to want zodiac sign pages, types of psychics should have a drop down, horoscopes, blog pages, service pages, etc. Like who do you offer it for? Who do you cater to? What's the value propositions? what zodiac signs, horoscopes, what type of problems or solutions are you providing, etc. This site, if I go to builtwith.com, let's see here. So they're using Klaviyo, Heatmap, Hotjar, conversions, Google tags, analytics, Slack integration, Cloudflare, DNS. This is a custom site, so it's really nice. I don't see anything WordPress or social integration, SendGrid for email, SSLs. Okay, really cool tech stack behind the scenes. If we take tarot readings here, let's take a look. Facebook Pixel, Slack integration, custom coded site, AngularJS, social integrations, double click, SSL, Amazon Web Hosts. All right, pretty unique backend tech stack as well. But if we go here, we don't have an initial call to action. Who's this for? How do they get help right away? How do we cater their experience to them? This just goes into a marketplace, and then I've got to scroll through. Some have reviews, some don't, some have pricing, some don't, some don't have images like profile pics. So we want to copy it more to this style. And if you look at their SEO again, I mean, those scores aren't insane. They've probably had the website for longer and put more money into it than our marketing agency site, which has a domain authority score of higher with similar amount of backlinks, 55 domain authority, 14,000 keywords as opposed to their 2,500 and 3,000 users per month. But we have pretty spread out keywords, so we rank for a lot. And that's because we have so many internal pages, blog pages, about us, case studies, industry, service pages, subservices, etc. So you need to build out a lot of that content gradually and consistently through months and years of work. If you take a look at your site as well, you do have the Facebook Pixel. You refresh this right there, so that's good. Let's look at the analytics tags. You're going to want to have Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics here. So if I refresh this, Google Ads for marketing tag, you probably run Google Ads. Global site tags, so you can put in Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics GA4. If you take a look at the metadata, not a great head title or description. You need to have some H1 tags that are not listed. And there's really just not enough written content on this page. It just goes right into the marketplace. So this is not an SEO friendly site. If we take a look at this competitor, we have their tag here. Let me refresh this. So they have the Facebook Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel. They have Google Tag Manager, I'm pretty sure. Let's refresh. They actually have their tags set up wrong, so that's interesting. They also have some optimize and CRO tags. If we take a look at their SEO, decent head title, better description. They do have some header tags. Their SEO is not perfect. It's a little messed up. They do have a lot of text, a lot of HTML, a lot of images that some need tagged and compressed, but much better structure, layout, and SEO for their homepage. Suggestions for getting traffic, obviously paid ads, Google ads like online psychic readings. You'll have a lot of competition here, but the cost per click, free online psychic readings actually is pretty expensive. I guess it's more about long-term value and getting them to come back and get into your funnel and keep booking you. I know a lot of people that hire a psychic, they're sort of in that realm of interests. Some of these keywords I don't think are right in terms of like how expensive they are. Some CPCs are crazy expensive. Free psychic readings online. Oops. So CPC volume, search volumes. A lot of monthly searches, CPC $8. So Google ads can be expensive. You could probably try Facebook ads. YouTube could be pretty good as well. I think you get a lot of branding, impressions, traffic, lower cost per clicks. And creating YouTube videos, but also social content. So doing a lot of user-generated content, hiring psychics to promote you on their channels, like basically influencer marketing across YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and search best love psychics, there's a lot of popular people across YouTube, millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views. Free psychic, YouTube Shorts, a lot of TikTok. I'd put a lot of emphasis on TikTok, YouTube, Google search ads, and then affiliate marketing and press articles. So you could get links from Business Insider, Market Watch, Entrepreneur.com, Forbes. Pay for a lot of press. That'll build up the domain authority. So if you look at your scores here for SEO, you need a lot more content. Tons of bad backlinks. These are all spam, cheaper backlinks, paid, bad black hat backlinks from previous years of bad practices. You basically need to disavow all these in Google Search Console. Domain authority 12 isn't bad, but you have no keywords and no traffic because you have essentially no HTML content throughout the site. You have no written content, no organic users, tons of bad backlinks, and it's just getting worse by month and year. So basically fixing all the on-page SEO, fixing the design, layout, structure, content, getting in videos, getting in content, blogs, service pages, topic pages, horoscopes, zodiac pages, etc. Buying proper backlinks, disavowing the current backlinks, buying press, buying UGC, user-generated content, working with influencers, running those influencer content videos as ads across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. A lot of money needs to be spent here. I mean, realistically, the notes are what I just took in this video, but realistically, I mean, you should be spending $10,000 plus per month. The marketing ideas, so SEO, web design, CRO, UX, UI, UGC, written content plus pages, blogging and vlogging, social media, mostly with TikToks, Reels, and Shorts, influencer marketing for sure, press and paid articles. A lot of work needs to be done here. I mean, $10,000 a month minimum for sure. But these are some of the best practices that I would take. Obviously, a lot of work needs to be done to grow this business. And then you want to get them into your funnel, into your system with, once you get them as subscribers, email newsletters, SMS texts, reminders if they create an account. Hey, you have money, have them upload money onto their account, use that. If they're not using it, send them a reminder. It needs to be treated as like a proper app, similar to the Uber apps of the world. This is going to be a minimum six-figure investment just to really kind of get it going. I'm assuming it can be profitable because you broker this out and you take the spread and get people on subscription basis, etc. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, sort of the process and approach I'd take, sort of like a quick overview. So yeah, I'm Mac with Momentum. Take a look at this video and maybe you can apply it to your business or hire somebody that helps, and you can hire us as well. And we can help with a decent amount of it, not everything that was mentioned. But yeah, a lot needs to be done to really take this to the next level. Thanks, and see you next time.